Hello everyone, my name is Chili Yon, and today I would like to share my industrial training experience as a credit admin intern at GFS Technology Sdn Bhd. My internship period was from 16 March until 28 August 2026, and I was attached to the credit admin department. First, let me briefly introduce the company. GFS Technology Sdn Bhd operates as Genie Financial Service, or Genie for short. Genie was incorporated in 2019 and today is a subsidiary of Caro Group. It is a financial service company focusing on automotive financing, especially for used vehicle purchases. Besides that, Genie also provides credit terms, or what we can understand as dealer financing for car dealers. Genie also uses digital operational systems to support a fast and hassle-free financing process. There are different departments within Genie, and I work under the credit admin department. So, these were my job scope under the credit admin department. My main responsibilities started with the checker task. Basically, my job was to check whether the financing documents had any defects or missing information. I will first arrange the documents and check them according to the required documents. For example, documents such as VOC, IC, road test, insurance, and other financing documents. This checking was important because the documents needed to be properly checked before the case could proceed to disbursement. My next job was e-Hamile processing. When there were not many invoices come in, I would assist with the e-Hamile lodgement. Before doing the lodgement, I needed to verify some of the required documents. For example, FIS, IC, insurance, and VOC. After making sure the information was correct, I will proceed with the e-Hamile lodgement and update the related records. Next is post-funding support. For this task, I help to check, stamp, and compile the files. After that, the documents will be processed through the e-duty system in Orange for the e-stamping process. Well, I also help with board discounting. For this task, I help to check, stamp, and compile the files. Then I arrange the documents according to the listing given. After that, I help to organize and prepare the documents for the next process. Another small task that I was given was to support the collection team. I helped to make calls to customers for first payment reminders. The purpose was mainly to follow up on the cases. This was only a temporary supporting task, but it gave me some exposure to how the collection team communicates with customers. Besides my normal credit admin work, I was also given some exposure to digital transformation projects. I help with things like window sourcing, comparing quotation, supporting evaluation, preparing OCR requirements, and listing support. This was different from my normal document work, so it gave me some exposure to how companies evaluate new technology solutions. Apart from my daily job, I also participated in several Caro events and activities. I joined the Caro Charity Bazaar Committee, where I helped support the event activities. I also participated in the Caro CSR Charity Home Visit. Another event was the Caro Appreciation Dinner, where I was involved as part of the committee. And I also joined the Caro Pickleball Tournament Committee, where I helped with things such as window sourcing and event preparation. During my internship, I also participated in the Caro Internship Program, or CIP. I attended a career talk which gave me some ideas about career development and working life. I also joined a site visit where I could see more of Caro operation outside of my normal departments. I attend LinkedIn training, which helped me improve my professional profile and personal branding. And I also participated in the monthly training session, where I learned different topics and skills outside of my daily work. Overall, my internship at GFS Technology gave me a lot of practical experience, especially in document checking, financing processes, and system-related work. At the same time, I also improved my attention to detail, communication, teamwork, and adaptability. Most importantly, I got to experience how the things I learned in university are actually applied in a real working environment. So, this internship was not only about learning how to do the work, but also learning how to work with people, solve problems, and adapt to different situations. Thanks for watching!